Cold outreach or cold campaign is the gold mine for every digital agencies or every digital business to getting new client. If you want to start sending your cold outreach campaign using Doplac.com, at the very beginning you have to connect your inbox provider to Doplac.com. I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your private email to your Doplac.com to start sending your cold outreach campaign. So go to your Doplac.com account, click on outreach, then click on account from the left menu, and this is the page you will be taken to. As I'm going to connect private email, so I'm going to choose private email, or you can choose whatever inbox provider you actually want to connect. So for this video, as I'm going to connect private email to my Doplac.com account, click on private email, choose your name. I'm going to choose my name. You have to choose your name, not my name. Okay. Then I have to provide my email address, the email address I actually want to connect to my Doplac.com account. I'm going to choose my email address. Okay. Then click on next. Then you have to provide the password of the email address, the email address you are actually going to connect with your Doplac.com account. I'm going to provide my password. Now here it is, you have to provide the private email IMAP host. If you don't know or if you need any help, just you can search on Google about private email IMAP host. Here it is. I have searched on Google, and this is the IMAP host of private email. You can just copy it from here. Okay, then go back to your Doplac.com account, paste it on here, and the IMAP port is default 993. You can continue with 993, and the SMTP host is same as 587. Okay, now here it is. If you want to add any specific reply email, you can do it just by clicking this button. If you want to add any specific reply email, but I'm not going to add any reply email at this moment, so I'm going to leave it. Then save. Okay, done. Then my account is connected to my Doplac.com account. Then you can check it out. Here it is that my private email is connected to my Doplac.com account. Done. If you want to edit any information, if anything, just click on edit details. Now you can change your name. You can add a signature here. If you are comfortable with, you can do it, but it's good practice. You can do it. Okay, it's done. If you want to delete the provider, just click on delete. Then you have to write down delete here to delete the actually inbox that you have connect. It's just a two-step verification. Seems like that you are not deleting any of your important information, unfortunately. So it's that simple. It's all for today, and don't forget to check out Doplac.com. It's completely free until June 1st, 2024. So check out every single features that Doplac.com providing at this moment. See how it can help you to grow your agency. If you have any question or any feedback about connecting your inbox to your Doplac.com account, you can leave them in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more informative video from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.